Kopogore gi mano, Jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua jiwo jotij sirikal mondo chiw luor ne jo-Kenya sama giwuoyo kuom chandruoge ma jo-Kenya kalie. Kolose chokruok manobagi e magawa moro e kaunti ma Mombasa, Gachagua nolero ni jo-Kenya owinjore omi luor kendo winjgi kinde duto, kamoloyo to kindegi ma jopiny yudo pek kaluwore kod nengo ngima. Omedo ni jotije duto mag sirikal mondo orit lewgi kinde ka kinde kuom kaka giwuoyo gi jopiny, ka bende jotelo nyaka bed moikore e nyagore kod pek moro amora ma bende giromo godo.
And I want to encourage all of us who are given the privilege to serve to do so with passion and commitment for the Kenyan people, for the African people. Again, and as I said on Sunday, those of us who have been given the privilege to serve, do so with humility. Have empathy with the people that you take care of. Respect those under you. Address them with respect and decorum. It costs you nothing. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Because people are people. So those of us who are here, who lead this or that organization, those placed under your care, please treat them with respect and dignity. If you serve the people of Kenya, those are your bosses, they are your employers. Dignify them by the way you address them. Even when there are challenges, remain calm and steady and address problems in a humane and humble manner so that those who are victims of that challenge can feel understood and empathized. That is the hallmark of leadership.
Nyakwaram gajuang kamiti marod bura mamalo